Another day with OlgaKay.
MOOSH!
Redness!
Disney in the air.
To honor independence, we welcome you to our 4th of July celebration as we commemorate the birthday of this great nation.
You're live.
With joy, we celebrate the United States of America, a vast mosaic of individuality and inspiration, a vibrant palette of cultures and colors, a country whose pioneering spirit continues to live on in the hearts and minds of people who cherish freedom in this land and around the globe.
gods of Disneyland, I hope you can hear me.
Just as the 50 stars and 13 stripes are so grandly united upon Old Glory, our nation's flag unites us all. Let us join together in salute to the red, white, and blue, and cheer the hopes and dreams that continue to shine throughout America.
It's like so lit from behind.